robots.
I don't think that's a proper camera, Murray.
Yeah, mobile phone camera.
I think it's mostly a phone.
It's not what they'd use on a music video, though.
Yeah, well, it's what we're using, isn't it? I mean, it's all I've got. It's taking good footage. You look good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are these supposed to be?
Those are just your function buttons for the robot.
They look like nipples.
Don't touch them. Look, I spent ages making these guys. It looks good. Now, let's just start again. It's all I had.
Well, it doesn't look like Daft Punk. We wanted ones like Daft Punk.
I don't know who he is. They're just robots from the future, right? Try not to walk so funky, Brett, because you're trying to make it less cool, more like, you know, electronic. Hide your neck, put your... That's right. Okay.
The distant future, the distant future.
It is the distant future, the year 2000.
We are robots.
The world is very different ever since the robotic uprising of the mid-90s. There is no more unhappiness.
Affirmative.
We no longer say yes. Instead, we say affirmative.
Yes, affirmative.
Unless it's a more colloquial situation with a few robo-friends. There is only one kind of dance, the robot.
And the robo-boogie.
Oh yes, two kinds of dances.
Finally, robotic beings rule the world. The humans are dead. The humans are dead. We use poisonous gases, and we poison their asses. The humans are dead.
That's right, they are dead.
The humans are dead.
They look like they're dead.
It had to be done.
I'll just confirm that they're dead.
So that we could have fun.
Affirmative. I poked one, it was dead.
Can't we just talk to the humans? A little understanding could make things better. Can't we talk to the humans and we're together now?
No, because they are dead.
Binary solo.
0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1.
Come on, Sector, leak my battery. Robo Boogie. The humans are dead.
Once again, without emotion,
The humans are dead.